And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Friday morning, everyone. 6:42 a.m. and right now things are mostly quiet on the radar. We have been seeing just a few small showers off the coast of Willacy County and up in Kennedy County pushing northward. Otherwise, it's quiet, but later on today, we're going to put in a very slight chance of a shower. More heat and humidity, meanwhile, for the valley today. Temperatures right now on the mild side, 70 degrees in Harlingen, 72 in Weslaco, 75 in McAllen, and 74 in Brownsville. There's a humidity 82%, and the winds are calm at this time. So here's your day planner forecast. We start off mild but muggy with a temperature of 72 at 8 a.m., mostly sunny skies. There's a very slight chance of a shower, only about 10% for today in the afternoon. 89 is a temperature at noon and 94 at 5 p.m. But when you factor that humidity into the air, temperature is going to feel like the triple digits. So if you're outside today, especially for the afternoon, do take it easy and drink plenty of water. It is hot and it is humid. Dave, the forecast for the games tonight should be okay. We're going to leave in a slight chance of a shower early on this evening, but otherwise dry. We're down to 86 at 7:30 tonight at kickoff, and then 81 degrees under mainly clear skies at 9 o'clock this evening. Here's the latest on Nicole, still a Category 1 hurricane with maximum winds of 85 miles per hour. So here's Nicole and here's Bermuda. Nicole is speeding off to the east-northeast at 21 miles an hour, eventually weakening this weekend to a tropical depression and continuing to speed off to the northeast right toward or through the North Atlantic Ocean. And back home in Texas, we have one front that has stalled out over central and east Texas. We are seeing some showers and thunderstorms in east Texas, as well as showers and thunderstorms approaching Dallas-Fort Worth. But sadly, this front, it's not making its way into the valley. It's going to slide off to the east, so that means the heat and humidity stick around here in the valley for today and through the weekend. But hang on, we have another front on the way. That's for next week, and that front should get to the valley by perhaps late Thursday of next week. So ahead of that front, we'll put in a slight chance of some showers for your Wednesday and Thursday. But behind the front, finally, it should feel more like October with high temperatures back in the 80s for Friday of next week. Just have to wait a couple more days, folks, and then that front finally on the way to the valley for next week. Today, more heat, more humidity, mostly sunny with a very slight chance of a shower perhaps in the afternoon and early evening. Should be quiet for tonight. On the water, we've got winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 knots. Your next tide is a low tide at 8:29 this morning. Seas are 3 to 5 feet, and the rip current risk is moderate. So today's forecast calls for mostly sunny skies with maybe an isolated shower and a high temperature of 95. Then for your Friday night, mainly dry, mainly clear and mild with a low temperature of 73 degrees. Here's that 7-day forecast. We just have to get through the next, I'd say, 5 days with that heat and humidity with highs in the mid to upper 90s, because then by Wednesday, there's a slight chance of a shower. The front comes in by late Thursday of next week. And look at that. 96, we go from 96 on Wednesday down to 84 on Thursday. The front passes on by. Should be damp and cooler for Thursday. And then we have a couple of days of morning lows in the lower 70s. That's Saturday morning, Sunday morning, and Monday morning. 74 Tuesday and Wednesday. But as the front starts to move in, wow, we go from 74 Wednesday morning to 68 degrees by early Thursday. So just in time for next weekend, it should be cooling off. So again, I know it's been hot and humid and uncomfortable for the really this week, for next week, but by next weekend, as the front starts to move in, should feel much, much nicer. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.